Big welfare.
Yeah. TLAMELO MALEBE is my name. MUSA mixtape, 60 bars. Shout out to Cheesy.
Mix and destroy.
This is a hybrid lips, different seeds. I put it on the mic. Try to remove it and write yours, so we pay the price. Man, it's bodies on bodies, my rhymes, cause it's genocide. Get it love from the underground, they're from niggas on the prime. When I'm surprised, when nobody's talking shit about my boss, like I ain't got bars. A rapper claiming his life is like a movie, oh god. All I see is prison break, cause niggas ain't got bars. I'm the reason why your girlfriend can't find a bra, cause I was catapulted my dick with it inside a pussy last night when we came from the bar. I'm a struggle rap, but that rap's better than most of y'all English rappers. Only thing I hate about your ladies, that they got no cheddar. In a country like mine, you need to go vernacular. Give me a microphone and I'ma show you the dangers of octane. Addicted to winning like I'm addicted to cocaine. I resemble a chosen angel who's gonna dismantle the same rapper that you look up to and idolize. Whoa, and that is me, I can't be walking on my demise. Now visualize a light skin, Malcolm X with a microphone. Got the bigger vocals getting you what your zone. That rap that you doing, you sound like the polytones. Rappers are gonna hear these and put away the microphones. The ambitious disintegrated, feeling like hip hop. Hated, the happy, belated, ambitious the dreams, which are not gonna get faded. The way quick to Kanye West came, but they should've waited. You ain't good, just face it. You got something to say, lazy. I'm the reason why your girlfriend can't find her bracelet, cause my bedroom kissed it. And by the time she comes to get it, she's gonna cut me naked. Y'all could sag your pants, put on your Vans, wear your durag, and come and line and brag like you got some stash, but y'all still rare trash. This is a freestyle by nigga who deserves a cosign for my Bala Entertainment and Sony Music, cause I don't do corny music. Once I rap, you lose it. Loyal to the game, and sometimes I look stupid. My love for the game is defined by Cupid. You difference out the license, you're not Lucas. Need to focus, cause the game ain't about who's the dopest. It's about who's the richest, nigga. Yeah. Again, Tuana ya rising, man, we come from the bottom. And I'm out here rapping, man, I'm looking for stardom. Yeah, man. TLAMELO MALEBE music. MANSA MUSA mixtape.
Mix and destroy.